Yes, so it's our site. I've recovered our planks. We're going to use it in completing the formwork. Next time we come, so the carpentry work not be a problem again. Solid, solid fencing, solid fencing, solid fencing. We're going to give it a pillar here, column. Then do all the ringing, so it'll be very, very stable for any rainy season, for any flood, for any wind. That's why we're doing all these things to guide against the natural disaster. Thank you. I'm doing the thing by myself so that I'll save cost. I save cost to my client. I don't want too much expenses so that we do the gate. The next time we come, we'll do the gate. Put the gate here and the fencing will be completed. Thank you.